Welcome to the UDAY-PRIDE E-learning Portal. Join us to learn lean management and manufacturing principles the UDAY-PRIDE way. The UDAY-PRIDE E-learning Portal is a joint initiative of UNIDO and ACMA funded by the Ministry of Heavy Industries, Government of India. An online e-learning platform developed under the UDAY-PRIDE project is ready to make a difference in the Indian automotive manufacturing sector through intensive counseling and self-learning. It has been developed specifically to empower small and medium-sized automotive component manufacturers across India. It is a one-stop learning resource that supports learning through two key modes of delivery: instructor-led training and self-learning. The instructor-led training is provided through training presentations delivered by domain experts at the click of a button. For those interested in self-learning, our portal contains over 300 minutes of high-quality, professionally researched training material in the form of animated videos with engaging voiceovers. These lessons combine internationally acclaimed lean management principles and techniques along with localized knowledge about the Indian manufacturing sector. An interactive forum enables trainees to interact with counselors freely, creating a safe discussion space for subject matter queries and content-related doubts. Trainees are provided with certificates endorsed by UNIDO and ACMA upon the completion of the course. Students also have the option to receive transcripts on the completion of modules. The UDAY-PRIDE e-learning courses are offered to both companies and individuals who can enroll independently, while individual learners can directly sign up on the website. Our aim is to support the initiatives of the Government of India by imparting knowledge and professional skills, helping the automotive component sector foster innovation and set them on the path of inclusive and sustainable growth.